This is a 2008 Toyota Sienna. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger-side vanity mirror, dusk-sensing headlights, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 58,000 miles. This minivan also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Falcone Volkswagen Subaru Saab is located at 1930 West 16th Street in Indianapolis. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure you'll return for future visits.